Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. Making this a small video about oil, US crude oil. So let's get started. This is the monthly chart. This is all I have from this broker. So this is the high here, this is the high here, this is another one here, and the price made from all the way from down here all the way up here. Now, if you know that the retracement levels are two major levels, 61% and 78%. Similarly, the extension levels are also important numbers, two, 127 and 161%. So if you pull the fib from here to here, if you see from here to here, right, then you can see that retracement to this move is exactly 61%. So like I said, that 61 or 78 usually. The extension is when the price goes beyond the starting point, means for example, if I pull the fib from here to here to see how much it retraced, the price retracing, but once it is beyond the starting point, it goes beyond, it is an extension. So the extension levels are two, 127 and 161. So 127 here, got a little wobble here, and then we went up all the way to 161% and then start retracing. That happens 90% of the time. So the retracement usually comes back to 38%. Usually, that's, it's a rule of thumb, not necessarily, but that's how it is. So if we pull the fib from here to here, 38% is coming to almost just above to this high. So that's one thing that it might be doing that. But we have a little wobble here too. So if you can pull the fib from here to here, you can see that the first pullback, first retracement number 61 is right 86.76, just above this high here. And then 78% is coming exactly to this high here. So these are the two possibilities that the price probably be dropping. Now look at the weekly chart and you will see a little bit more that these are the highest. This is the one, right? And 78% is right here. And then 61% is 86.76, is just above this high, 84.93. And if you look at this one, then we can say that this is A, this is B, and this is C correction, the C wave coming down to 61%, at least 61%. It may go to 78, but at least let's say 61%, 86.76. Maybe that's where it is coming. And then on a daily chart, a little bit more open, that this is what it is. It's like A, B, C, A, then B, and C is coming down to, we're supposed to get here 61% at least, maybe break that and then go down to this, and this is a monthly high, 76.99, and 78%, 75.99. So maybe we will be coming down here, or this is just later, right? So for now, we can say that, yeah, okay, this could be the target. Now on a 40-minute chart that I have, this is how it is. So we have it like A, B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 5 coming down. Now A, if this is A, this is B, and then C, so A, B, C correction, 127% is coming to 86.94, where we have this 61% coming to 86.76. So how close is that, right? So this is, on this chart, I think that we are coming down here to 61%. So that is also giving me a good hint that this is where we are going. And it is a short setup now, beautiful short setup. You can see that, there was a long setup here. And this was a long setup here, right? This was the long setup, but it didn't work out because, that's the end of the road and then it has to drop. So this is a short setup, beautiful short setup. And again, this is going to make a short setup and go down probably here easily. Now the extensions also, you can see that extension means, for example, this price here, and it went up there, and this is an extension. So how much is this extension? If we can pull this here, then we can see that it also exactly 161% and then bounce. So it went down to 161 extension, right? And usually it do that. Just like here, the extension. See, it's sorry, see, 161%. See that? So that's how it always happens. Most of the time, 90% of the time, not always. So what about the extension? If let's say this is the rise, so what about the extension here, 127 and 161? Where the heck they're coming? So let's go take a look at this. Let's see if this is what it is. Then 127 is coming right here. And 161 is the one that coming to exactly 127 here. See that 161 to 87.37, and this is 86.94, almost like 30-40 feet apart. But just like this one, the rise and then extension to 161, the rise and extension to 161 is coming right here. So basically 87, and 87 is the one that we have here is 61%. 86.76, almost 87. So 87 is the, any angle I look at it, and as long as we are below 101.09, this low here, okay, this low is 101.09, and if we can stay there, we can just drop below 101.09 is this white line here, right? And see, it bounced from here first and then broke. This is I call SBR. Support becomes resistance. Support now broken here and becomes resistance. And then we're gonna drop to 87 area, 86.94, 87 area. And this is the short setup. And on a 20-minute entry, this is how it is. See that? This is an entry chart, and you can see that it's dropping. Beautiful short entry here, beautiful short entry here, beautiful short entry here. It didn't work out much, but then it retraced, and then again short entry here, and then again short entry here, and then it went up again, retracement, and now it's probably gonna give us a short entry a little while after, and then go down to 87 first, and then maybe more. I don't know, right? But 61% is around 87, and then 78% even further down. 78% is like around 76. So 87 to 76, yeah, we can drop if we, if we have to, right? So this is how the whole scenario is. This is a daily chart, more like the 101.09 is right there, so we can stay below that. Continue. He's gonna take out one by one. This one, then this one, and then go down here. 86.76 is right there, and this is the band here. I think that we are dropping right now. The current candle is black, and it's bearish, and this is where it is pointing. So I hope that it helps a little bit. And for those of my subscribers, you wanted the setting for the 40-minute and the 20-minute chart, email me and I will send you the setting in email, right? It's different than the usual. The chart I am. You can always change for your liking, right? This is just, it's a brick size, okay? So whatever the brick size you put, it shows up on the chart, So this is what I'm using. I'll give it to you, and you email me, ask. Okay, so this is it for now. This is only for the crude oil covering. And for now, see this is coming down, trying to come down. So that's how it is. Just trade accordingly. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful the rest of the trading day. And if you like what you want, what you saw, and you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and learn, then you can go on my website, this creativetrading.com, and subscribe and learn how to do these analysis and all of that, and get the system to make the entry Renko charts. So yeah, after that, I'm probably gonna make another video about S&P 500 and DAX and stuff like that. All right. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day or night, whatever you have on your side.